Okay, Hudson's gonna get his teeth brushed. Let's see how this. Wow.
Are you ready? Let's learn our 1, 2, 3. It's so easy now. Count with me. Let's
Yay.
learn our 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. Let's do it again.
He likes biting it.
Are you biting it? You gonna dance with your toothbrush? No, you can't put that end in. So we're gonna brush all your teeth. All 6 of them. All 6 of them.
Hudson's brushing his own teeth.
Yay, Hudson. Way to eat that toothpaste. That's a pretty good song. Oh, good, because you like your toothbrush. And that's as long as you're supposed to brush your teeth. Yay. Well, rinse out your mouth with this. Yay, Hudson. Did you like that?
He didn't seem to hate it.
No. Well, we done. Okay, the end. Hudson, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Good job.